In the bottle, CCl4 has been taken, and when you add water to this, then you will see that by addition of water there is formation of two layers of the liquid. So now add water in this sample. So see here, the two layers are separate. The bottom layer, it is of CCl4, and the upper layer, it is of the water. The two solutions are clearly immiscible and they are not going to mix at all. Now I will add some crystals of the iodine, granules of the iodine in this sample. So iodine, it will distribute itself between the water and CCl4. Iodine, it is highly soluble in the carbon tetrachloride, then in the water. So at the first sight it seems that only iodine is present in CCl4 and it is not present in the water. So see here, the upper layer, it is clearly colorless, no traces of iodine. Downward it is colored, it means iodine is present in the CCl4 or it is highly soluble in the CCl4. But as you will keep it or as you will shake them, then after some time you will see that upper, which is clearly colorless, colorless portion is there, that get tarnished due to the dissolution of iodine in the water. So iodine will distribute itself between the water and the CCl4. I have already done that experiment in a different bottle, and that bottle now I will keep it here in order to compare with these two. So wherever it is clearly colorless, no iodine has been transferred, but in the second some iodine has been transferred to the water. It means iodine distribute itself between the CCl4 and the water. Here the another video is there. See here, this is the separating funnel, and in the separating funnel you will add this mixture, and there you can separate one solution from the another solution. So this is the addition of this liquid in the separating funnel. There were two layers, and layers, they will retained or they are as it is when you are adding it into the separating funnel. So upper layer, that is water, and downward layer, that is of the CCl4. So we can round down the downward solution by opening the valve from the bottom, and that will cause the removal of the one of the layer, and another layer it will remain in the separating funnel. So that can be opened from the bottom. So that is the opening from the bottom. You see at the bottom the one solution will run down, and another this level, that will slowly and slowly that will come down. As you see, the level has been reached up to a certain point, that where all of the red color portion has been removed. You can close it so that one liquid is separate from the another liquid. Okay.